What's up, y'all? Right now I'm at the Beijing. We just reached Beijing right now and we're going to the hotel. It's so fucking still here. Can't even feel my hair. I can't hold my camera anymore. So I'll vlog later after I reach hotel. Bye. What's up, fam? Here we are at the Beijing. We are inside tunnel ke andar hai bhai. 3D view is there on my back. Look. Here I'm at the Beijing Opera Theater. So still here. Look at the decoration on my back. Look. It's so cool. My boy taking pics here on my back. Look at them.
Here is the most interesting thing is Rolex on the wall clock at the entrance of Beijing Opera. Wow!
Tiananmen Square का क्या है ticket price?
We need to buy a ticket for going at Tiananmen Square. Damn, bro, we're going to broke, man.
We want to say that for proud.
200 आने
Damn, bro, I don't want to bro. Look what you see on my back. This is the biggest opera. The legs are frozen because of chill weather. Here is -18 right now. My hands are freezing. I can't even feel myself. It's so freezing here.
This is the Tiananmen Square of China. And look at these security cameras. Fucking insane.
I'm standing in front of the icon of China. I need you more because you are on the money. Right now we are inside that square. Look on my back. A lot of visitors are coming with tour guide. But we don't have tour guide. Actually, we don't need tour guide. Here's our tour guide. It's so cool.
This kind of get you might see only on Chinese movies.
Now we enter here. We have student card, so we bought at the half of the price only.
The whole water is frozen. We already came across 5 gates and still more to go. And I don't know how many left now. This is huge, really insane.
I bet you here you see only a Chinese movie. These things and all too crowded. I can't enter this place. Too much crowded and too feeling cold. My hand is all frozen. I can't even feel myself. It's all pain. This is the heart of China. We came here. We fly over thousands of kilometers just to see this. Me and my squad. All the kings are sitting here. Look, come on. I can see nothing. We can't enter here. We'll vlog here. I saw the king.
We just saw the emperor's shit now.
Kidding.
Walls and ceilings are plated with golds.
Look how many gates we passing through.
Look at these views. Literally, it takes 1 hour to reach here from the main gate, and it's still left to go. Legs were frozen. My hand also frozen. Not only frozen, it bends a lot.
Finally we came out. There is still more left to go. Look at the pig. But there's no time to go there. We wouldn't go. I'm so cold. There's a light on both sides. All frozen.
Now we are on the way back to hotel.
We are waiting for a taxi. It's called Didi, like an Uber in China.
This dish is called Beijing Kouya, a very popular roasted duck in China.
Maybe not. Chocolate.
Hey, do you know what it is? A huge crab. And you see the lobster here. This is really huge, fucking big. And now we got the ticket and way back to home. See you tomorrow. Bye.